I see so many people who have potential. Here's the thing. We all have potential. But what do you do with potential? You ever learned about potential energy? It's stored energy. It's stagnant. It's sitting. It's not moving. You want it to be kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is movement, okay? It's flowing. It's doing something. So it's not a compliment that you have the potential, because your potential is in storage. Take it out and utilize it. Let's do something with that potential, okay? And in order to do that, you have to tap into the mind. You have to be willing. That's a mental thing. You have to be dedicated. It's a mental thing. You have to be consistent. It's a mental thing. All of these things that you'll have to be and have to develop, all is in the mind. No matter what the task, at home, with finances, athleticism, just working out and getting your body straight, work, every day, the day-to-day, mundane tasks, cleaning up, even if you're a stay-at-home parent or spouse, it doesn't matter. You still have to use this thing right here. And this is your greatest power as a human. This is what God has given you, the free will to think. This is Trayvon Pratt with AIM, Always Improving the Mind. It's also May, Mental Health Awareness Month, so stay aware of your mental health, and this is one of the ways that you can build your mental health starting today. Use your mind, okay? Use your superpower.